Welcome to all. Today we will discuss about while loop in C language. To implement any looping statement in any language, we have to follow some steps. So, first step is to initialize identifier. Second step is write down the condition. Third step is update the expression, nothing but identifier. If we will not follow these steps, our code not execute successfully. Means if we will not follow step 1 at the time of debugging, compiler give message that identifier not defined. And if we will not follow step 2nd and step 3rd, our code goes into the infinite loop condition. Means our code execution never end. Now let us focus on today's topic, that is while loop. So start with while loop syntax. While loop syntax consists of while keyword followed by open close bracket. In open close bracket is test condition. Again follow that is statement. Statement in looping block execute when condition is satisfied. If condition is unsatisfied, then statement followed by condition never executed. Statement followed by condition never executed. Again, this is a simple syntax of while loop. In while loop, first check the condition, and after condition is satisfied, then execute the statement. So while loop is also called as pre-order while loop. Now we implement this with simple example. So in this example we have to display message India using while loop and steps that follow for implementation of any looping statement. So to implement this example in C, we use TC. So we have to first include header file, include stdio.h. stdio.h file nothing but standard input output file. This file consists of input output function and identifier that use in code. And below that is main function. Main function indicate starting point of code. Means at the time of execution, compiler understand that the code execute from main function. So we write our code in main function. First we initialize identifier. So we take identifier I and initialize it to 1. This is first step, that is initialization. Next step is write condition using looping statement I equal to 1. That is condition, second step. And after that message and statement that we have to execute if condition is satisfied. So in this example we display message India. Now loop is completed. After that, get ch. Get ch is a function. It is used to hold output window until we have to not click any button on keyboard. So first save code, Alt F, save file with name while dot c. Save it. Now file name is displayed in top. Next step is compile file. So compile file, Alt F9 is a shortcut. No mistakes find out, no warning. So it is ready to execute. So execute code. Now execute India. But code goes into the infinite loop condition. Why? Because to implement while loop we follow first and second steps, but we not follow third step, that is update the identifier. So code goes into the infinite loop condition because we initialize I equal to 1 and we check condition I equal to 1. So condition is always satisfied. So they always execute statement within a looping block. If condition is unsatisfied, then and then they goes out of the loop. So close this window. Go out of the code. So out of the code, close this window, again open the TC, again open file while dot c. No, so we save file in TC bin. So while dot c is here. Now code. In this code we initialize identifier, we check condition, but we not update identifier. Identifier always update at the end of looping statement. So here we update the identifier I plus nothing but I equal to I plus 1. So again save the code. Again save the code, save, again compile the code, compile, no mistakes find out, no warning, again execute the code. Now execute code. So message is India. This is the execution of while loop and implement any looping statement using steps that we follow and execute today's assignment, that is while loop in C language. Thank you. Good day.